Hello everyone, Chunder Professor here, and today we're going to be talking about the GCSE Edexcel November 2023 higher question 21b, where 6x squared equals 7xy plus 20y squared, where x and y are greater than 0. So we need to find the ratio x to y. Let's go. Divide both sides by y squared. I'll tell you why in a second. And now we'll get this. 6x squared over y squared equals 7x over y plus 20. And let k equals x over y. So 6k squared equals 7k plus 20. Now we have this. We can make it into a quadratic formula like this. 6k squared minus 7k minus 20 equals 0, which is in the format of ax squared minus bx minus c / plus whatever you want equals 0. Let's put in that box. So now we can use the quadratic formula to solve this. It's one way. After plugging the values, so negative b add or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and after substituting these, we get 7 add or minus the root of 529 all over 12. Now, since this is a calculator paper, you can search the square root of 529 is exactly 23. How lucky. So now we will get k equals 5 over 2 or negative 4 over 3. Because 7 add or minus 23 could be 7 plus 23, 30, or 7 minus 23. So after that, since x and y must be positive and greater than 0, which is y is like that, so k is equal to 5 over 2. So this is another method that I found. This is a better method in my opinion. And also because this is a bit more luckier. So we let k prime here. So we use 6k squared minus 7k minus 20 equals 0. We could change the 6 to here by multiplying 20 with 6. So we get k prime squared minus 7k prime minus 120 equals 0. Now, we know that 8 times negative 15 equals negative 120, and 8 add negative 15 is negative 7. So, k prime plus 8 times k prime minus 15 will be equal to the quadratic equation we have after the prime. So, k prime will be equal to negative 8 and 15, because k prime equals negative 8. So, add 8 equals negative 8. So k will be equal to negative 8 over 6 and 15 over 6 because we divide it by 6. I'll tell you why it works in a later short. So equals negative 4 over 3 again, or 5 over 2 here. So since it must be positive, so k will be equal to 5 over 2. Credits to BPRP faster the method. That's how I learned it. And this is the end, and I'll see you in the next video.